Nursing is to nurture and care. Patients' lives is in our hands. So love our profession. It's a calling. Good day, everyone. I am here to discuss one among the 11 key areas of nursing responsibility, which is the personal and professional development. Core Competency 1 identifies own learning needs. It verbalizes strengths, weaknesses, and limitations. It also determines personal and professional goals and aspirations. Core Competency 2 pursues continuing education, participates in formal and non-formal education, applies learned information for the improvement of care. Core Competency 3 gets involved in professional organizations and civic activities, participates actively in professional, social, and religious activities, maintain membership to professional organizations, supports activities related to nursing and health issues. Core Competency 4 projects a professional image of nurse, demonstrates a good manners and right conduct at all times, dresses appropriately, demonstrates congruence of words and actions, behaves appropriately at all times. Core Competency 5 possesses positive attitude towards change and criticism, listens to suggestions and recommendations, tries new strategies or approaches, adapts to change willingly. Core Competency 6 performs function according to professional standards, assesses own performance against standards of practice, sets attainable objectives to enhance nursing knowledge and skills, explains current nursing practices when situations call for it. And that is all about personal and professional development. Thank you for listening. God bless us all.